What's going on, guys? Mike and D is here. We're here at There's a Difference Auto Body and Frame in Southern California. Orion and Chow are here. We got a $500 hoopty from our buddies down at Circle City Towing. Thank you, Frank. And we're about to get stupid, and it's gonna be sick.
We go with the big guy.
I call big guy.
Big guy? You're thinking big guy?
I just know this.
Dude, this is thick.
This is not gonna work.
That is so thick.
That's super thick.
This has a chance. This has a little bit of a chance. It's like kind of liquidy.
You just need that layer of liquid between the bearings.
It's a little liquidy. This is like, that's like gel, right? I'm saying we get 10 seconds.
10?
Yeah.
I'm gonna be optimistic on this one. I'm gonna say 20 seconds.
You know, okay, it is a Honda motor. It is a Honda motor.
Which will probably run really good for a while.
So,
with no oil.
I changed my answer to possibly a minute. Welcome to our first annual Slide or Die Challenge. So back here, you see these cones that Micah has beautifully set up. You have to start there. You get this nice run up, and all you have to do is yank handbrake and try and park it right next to this car. Closest person to the car wins.
63-foot run up.
63 feet?
63 feet.
Wait. If you hit the car, is that disqualification or are you just OG?
You're OG.
And you just, you have a zero? You have like 0 inches?
If you hit the car and it's a good hit, you're okay.
Okay.
But if you just tap it like
If it's
Michael
like
would, just, oh, then it's no good.
If you hit it, you're not disqualified.
But you gotta really hit it.
Oh, no.
You gotta hit it hard.
I want Chow to really hit it.
You gotta hit it.
I don't want him to get disqualified.
But accidentally too.
Hit it hard or no?
Chow.
No, I would think the professional here should do it.
Oh, yeah.
Bro, too
Oh,
late.
yeah.
No, he won a Fiat. He won a free Fiat.
By definition.
He won a free Fiat.
By definition, you're the pro.
You are also.
Orion's up.
He literally has.
Rise up, Rise.
Rise
You're up.
Oh my.
You're up.
You know what you should say? Who has the biggest sponsor should go first.
Rise up.
Get your shirt.
Oh.
Yeah, he got a shirt. Look at his hat.
Well, we
too.
don't even have a shirt. We don't even get a shirt. That's
You
how
have
bad
a
we
shirt. All right, you're up first.
You're up. You're up first.
You ready?
Yeah, Joe, you ready to lose?
I'm not scared. Well, you know what though? Nothing's. Just a little wager. Just a friendly wager.
God, this guy always
Dude,
wants
just
to
a little
bet.
wager. Just so, I mean, you're so confident, you know. Just a little wager.
So let's just go triple or nothing.
Triple. You haven't paid one anyways.
Yeah.
Did you tell your wife you lost?
That's why the option of triple or nothing is still available.
Did you tell your wife you lost?
No, I never lose my wife's eyes, bro. I have to have one like diehard fan.
Ooh. Wow.
Oh, no! Wait. We gotta make.
Round of applause. First go at it, dude. That was good.
2 1/4.
All right, we'll give him a 2 1/4. I guess it's my turn.
2 inches this time. Being small is good.
2 1/4.
Ah.
Man,
Boo.
wait.
That was sweet.
Okay, well, you know, we'll give him the benefit of the doubt.
Yeah, you can get him at the smallest corner.
Thank you.
No, from the mirror to the fender. 19 3/4.
19 3/4.
I could still do this though. Supposed to just put up the end of the whole thing.
Oh my.
Look at that! Perfect! Perfect!
You came from so far.
Oh my God. He
quite
just
the
came.
run-up.
You came from the outfield.
Look how close it is though.
You actually made contact and then the car moved.
You still beat me.
7 inches. You suck.
7. All right, Chow. You're up next,
You're up,
buddy.
Chow.
Oh no, now this is.
Hop up in there.
I'm Asian, dude.
Yep, 16 and a half.
Wow.
Chow got you. With the nose though, so it's not that cool.
Wow. It literally says right here, no nose. It literally says no nose.
So that
in the
means
rules.
we should do the door.
But
We
like,
should measure-
I'm Asian though.
Yeah, I got the mirror. I got the mirror treatment.
So we should measure the mirror.
Yeah,
That's only
give him the
fair.
mirror
Mirror to
treatment.
mirror?
Give him the mirror.
You guys are cheating. You guys are cheating now. Come on,
I
guys.
said no nose. The
Come
rule
on.
says no nose.
26.
26. See, that's fair.
That's fair.
That hurt.
It was a 16 and a half, but it was with the nose, so now we're gonna go with the solid 26 for the guy.
mirror.
Alright, now you get your take 2.
All right. Let's
And
go.
you're winning though, see? This is what happens when you win free Fiats.
You beat that.
Yeah, get the tape measure in there. This side.
It is. It's
Get the
2 feet. Inch and a quarter. Inch and a quarter.
Round of applause.
Dukes of Hazzard. Boss hog.
Yeah, you're definitely Boss Hog. No way, you're Roscoe.
Oh, my foot's stuck. That's a disqualification.
Rule number 4. No.
That's a DQ.
That's a fat DQ.
It slipped. Over, you over. Yeah, buddy. That was a mulligan. I took my mulligan on that one.
4 3/4.
4 3/4. All right, let me
All right,
give
you're
it a
up,
try.
dude.
Put his seatbelt on. Oh my God. Mulligan, you pulled the mulligan. Tell me when.
We got closer. 9.5. That's not bad.
That's an improvement.
That's not bad.
I'll take the improvement. All right, Chow, come on.
Chow, you're up.
Let's go. Get your score in.
Disqualification. No good. He's got. No,
He did go the other way.
I go back.
Mulligan. He used his mulligan.
I gave up. I suck. I'm Asian. Not in my
Show us your Asian skills.
Yeah, you missed.
By how much?
He missed.
Oh my God, that's so close.
Look how close he missed. Oh, my turn. That was your mulligan.
Literally perfectly flat.
You gotta drink it.
It's flat.
If there's anything left,
It's like a deer. You
you
don't
gotta
need
drink it, bro.
fire extinguisher. Blow a fire extinguisher in his face.
He is not going to accept that.
Screw you, I'm doing it again. Oh, that caught me off guard.
Oh my God, he's going to do it from there?
Oh my God.
Joseph
Yeah, let's review scores. No, that's a 30,
That says
Micah.
30.
This is rigged.
It's not rigged.
I'm going home. I won.
Show off.
Definitely got a lot of fuel in it.
Yep. There you go. Keep going. There you go. Teamwork.
We're good to send it, dude. We can
All right.
we can just get the slime up in there.
All right, move your funnel.
You're just going big gulp.
This is never gonna work. I think it will though, because it's Honda. Yo, it's a race, dude.
We got competitions.
We got slime now.
Let him know if you want to race, dude. Call him up.
I'm gonna call my mom.
Sore loser. Don't say that either.
I'm gonna call your mom.
Yo!
I say 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
2 minutes.
This is a 10-second Civic, dude.
10 second Civic?
This
All right,
10
give him 10
seconds.
So
seconds.
10 seconds. Oh my gosh, 10 seconds.
Put it in neutral. Yeah, that's why we were saying stop.
I didn't want to.
Dug a 1 foot hole in the ground. It wants to grip. There it goes. Oh, yeah.
Oh, 355?
Wow.
That is a testament to Honda.
No.
I win!
Chow it.
No, I guess.
He said 10 seconds! I won!
Oh, you said
I won! Yes! Again! Yes!
You guys,
No! We did a burnout. Fontana's finest. They came to the rescue.
Can you use slime as engine oil? Maybe. Should you? Maybe. Huge thanks to Joe for letting us use his yard and getting rowdy. And thank you to Frank for what's left of this vehicle. As always, make sure you subscribe, like, tell your homies about this. We got super rowdy and it's gonna get better.